Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get candy blossom and grow a garden. So let me just open it up right here and show you guys. This is completely free. So let me just go ahead and go over to the grow garden, and I'm going to go ahead and join it and show you guys that I have the candy blossom. So let's just wait for this to go ahead and load here, as you can see. Alright, so yeah, let's just give it a second. So I'm going to show you guys that I do have the candy blossom here. So this is super cool. So let's just wait for it to go ahead and load, as you can see. Alright, so let's go ahead and check it out. And as you can see, guys, I have the candy blossom. Let me just show you guys right here. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it onto your device. So let's get straight into the video. So as you can see, it is fully working. So this is super cool. So let's get straight into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it onto your device. Now, one thing about this process is you need to make sure Roblox is on your device and you're logged into your account. So once you do that, guys, you are going to be all set. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and go to this website. So it's called blossomglitch.com. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So once you're on this site, guys, what we're going to do is just go ahead and press the button that says start injecting, and it's going to start downloading onto your device. So before it downloads, it's going to make you pick whether you're using an iPhone or an Android. So go ahead and press inject, and now we're just going to wait. So before we can get it, guys, we have to do verification. So we have to download 2 apps and follow the instructions. They're completely free. They're from the official store. This process can take between 15 and 20 minutes. So I'm just going to go ahead and press verify now, and it's going to bring me over to the list of apps, and I just have to download 2 of them. So as you can see, there's a huge list here. So let me just go ahead and do 2 of them. So it doesn't really matter which one you do. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and do Travel Town. It's going to bring me to the App Store. I'm going to download it. So let's just give it a second for it to redirect me here, as you can see. Alright, so while this is downloading, I'm going to go back on the list of apps and download another app. So you want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps just to make sure the process works. So let me just go ahead and go back on the list. I'm just going to go ahead and download another one. So let me just go ahead and do that. So for me, I'm going to do the Domino Dreams, I think. So it's going to bring me to the App Store. I'm going to download it. So let's just give it a second to redirect me. So now I'm going to go to the home screen, just wait for these to download. They're pretty small, so I'm not really expecting a long wait time. So let's just go to the home screen and see what happens. So I'm just going to go ahead and see. So the Travel Town is almost done. So we'll just give it a second to go ahead and finish. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and run it. Just doing some basic interactions, touching around. Should be pretty easy. So let me just go ahead and do that right here so you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just playing through it. If you don't know how to play, guys, just read the instructions on the site and it should tell you exactly how to do it. So let me just go ahead and do this right here so you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just running it right here. Super easy, guys. So let me just go ahead and do that. So honestly, I think I'm pretty much done. So now I'm going to go to the home screen, guys, and do the other app. So let me just run this one for a little bit more here, as you can see. Alright, so yeah, we're pretty much done, guys. So let's go to the home screen and do the other app. So that is the Domino Dreams. Same thing, guys. Just gotta go ahead and run it, just doing some basic interactions. So let me just run this right here, as you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just playing around with it. So yeah, it's pretty easy, nothing too crazy. So let me just go ahead and do that, as you can see. Alright, so yeah, I'm just playing through it. So it's pretty simple, nothing too insane. So let me just go ahead and do this right here, as you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just running it. So anyway, guys, once you're done, we will get it on our device. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video, but yeah, that's how it works. So let's just go ahead and see. So then all we gotta do is open up Roblox and go into the Grow a Garden, and we should be all good to go. So let me just go ahead and do that right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and join. Alright, so let me just go ahead and join it, and then we're gonna see the magic. So let me just go into the game, and we're gonna see what happens. Alright, so let's just hop on in, and we're gonna see that we have it. So let's just go ahead and load it in, and you guys will see. So let's just go over here, and as you can see, guys, we got it. So be sure to try it out. This is super cool. I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to go ahead subscribe to the channel. This is super insane, and peace out.